Self-love mirror meditation. Now, get comfortable in front of a mirror, whether it's in your bathroom or a handheld mirror. Just get yourself set up, and you will be doing this with your eyes open. Now just repeat these affirmations after me, preferably out loud. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. I am enough. I am deserving of kindness, respect, and care. I am valuable simply because I exist. I am learning to love myself more deeply every day. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I am safe being fully myself. I am comfortable taking up space. I am allowed to have needs. I am allowed to have boundaries. I am worthy even when I make mistakes. I am worthy even when I am not productive. I am worthy even when others do not understand me. I am much more than my appearance. I am more than other people's opinions of me. I am free from the need to prove my worth. I am releasing the need for constant validation. I am becoming my own source of reassurance. I am learning to trust myself. I am capable of making good decisions for myself. I am deserving of relationships that feel safe and reciprocal. I am worthy of consistent and genuine love. I am worthy of being appreciated. I am worthy of affection that feels peaceful and secure. I am allowed to walk away from what diminishes me. I am allowed to choose myself. I am deserving of the same compassion I give to others. I am gentle with myself. I am patient with myself. I am forgiving towards myself. I am becoming kinder in the way I speak to myself. I let go of shame that no longer serves me. I am allowed to forgive who I used to be. I am grateful for every version of myself that helped me survive. I am no longer defined by the ways I was once treated. I am becoming emotionally secure within myself. I am safe, giving myself the love I once searched for from others. I am becoming someone I can depend on. I am at home within myself. I am worthy without comparison. I am unique, and that is enough. I am beautiful in ways that go far beyond appearance. I am comfortable looking at myself with kindness. I am learning to appreciate my body rather than constantly judging it. I am grateful for the body that carries me through life. I am allowed to feel attractive. I am allowed to feel confident. I am allowed to be seen. I am allowed to be heard. I am allowed to express myself freely. I am confident in who I am becoming. I am capable of handling rejection without rejecting myself. I am secure enough to know that another person's opinion does not determine my value. I am free to be imperfect. I am lovable while I am still growing. I am lovable on my difficult days. I am lovable without having to perform for love. I am deserving of love that does not require me to abandon myself. I am open to receiving genuine love. I am open to receiving compliments and believing them. I am open to receiving kindness without questioning whether I deserve it. I am open to happiness. I am allowed to experience joy. I am allowed to have a beautiful life. I am deserving of good things. I am becoming more peaceful within myself. I am becoming more confident in my own presence. I am becoming less afraid of being disliked. I am becoming less dependent on outside approval. I am becoming more comfortable being exactly who I am. I am choosing self-respect over self-abandonment. I am choosing compassion over criticism. I am choosing peace over comparison. I am choosing myself with love. I am building a loving relationship with myself. I am my own safe place. I am on my side. I am worthy. I am enough. I am love. I am becoming the love I once believed I had to earn. Thank you, Tuyasin, for writing this beautiful, heartfelt meditation. Lots of love, everyone, and may your journey to self-love and loving yourself deepen and have a wonderful overflow to your romantic relationships.